we will come up with appropriate announcement nanti. Okay. Tengah teliti lah segala fakta dan apa keputusan yang sebaik-baiknya lah, berdasarkan pada 3 prinsip yang saya sebutkan tadi. In a company law, good governance and fair process. Yeah, he's coming back. It's ready. The report is ready, but I want him to look at some of the measures and options. Yeah.